discourse is on microbiome, the mysterious emanation of cosmic factor. It is one of human knows that whatever we do not know, in order to conceal our limitations or hide our imperfections, we either say that it is non-existent, or in a more intelligent style we say it is an abstract. In this universe of ours, whatever comes within the scope of our senses or within the periphery of our perception, we say it is. And whatever is beyond our arena of senses or jurisdiction of perception, we cannot say anything. Our world functions within the limitations, hence our world functions within the limitations of our senses and perceptions. We know in the realm of cosmic introvert or extrovert, in the first phase, that is in the phase of extrovert, subtle is transmuted into crude, and in the returning phase, that is in the phase of introvert, crude is metamorphosed into subtle. In this progress, rather in this semicircular approach, there may be, in the scope of matter, there may be subtler objects, many objects subtler than electrons or protons or positrons. And similarly, when the mind starts in that psychic stratum, but we find no alternative but to say that either it is electron or proton or positron or neutron. And similarly, in the psychic sphere, there may be entities subtler than ectoplasm or its extra-psychic coverage endoplasm. But there are entities who come within the realm of both physicality and psychic expression, which are smaller or subtler than atoms or electrons or protons, and in the psychic realm they may be subtler than ectoplasms. For such objects or for such entities, I use the term microvitum. This microvitum, or in plural microvita, are not of protoplasmic order, and as such they have got little to do with carbon molecules or carbon atoms, which are treated as the initial point or initial stage of life in this universe. There, so far as physicality is concerned, these microvita are, their position is just between ectoplasm and electron. But they are neither ectoplasm nor electron. It is human wound that whatever we know that it regarding any subject or any object, when we know that it exists, but its characteristics and other particulars are not known to us, we say it is mysterious. So, regarding these microvita, we may say it is mysterious. That's why I use the term microvitum, the mysterious emanation of cosmic factor. There no, neither protoplasmic order and hence the question of their protozoic structure or metazoic structure that doesn't arise. There's something mysterious. Now these microvita are not of same density or same subtlety. Some of them may come within the range of highly developed microscope. Some of them may not come within the range of microscope, but their actional expression or through their actional faculty or as a result of their actional vibrations, they may come within the scope of our perception. They are of subtler order. There may be still more subtle forms of microbiota who may not come within the scope, directly within the scope of our perception, but they may come within the scope of a special type of perception, which is actually a reflection of conception within the range of perception in a limited sphere.